Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And today I'm going to show you how to earn 50 bucks today, okay? And you can do this very quickly, and the way I'm going to show you, you're going to see other ways to earn as well online, and so you're going to have multiple ways to earn online, and you could earn way more than 50 bucks today, but for sure you're going to earn $50 today if you do what I say, guys. Okay, all right, let's get started. Since you guys are on my YouTube channel, I just want to mention that the ways that you're going to be learning today, it's going to be very easy ways to earn money, but if you want to make a big money and passive income, you're going to click this link right up here on my channel art banner. Here's how to make a big money. You click that link and it's going to go and show you what I'm talking about. All right, guys. All right, let's move on to how to make 50 bucks today, okay? And how you're going to do that is going to 5 different sites, guys. Okay, the first one is you're gonna sign up at Swagbucks. You're gonna have $10 bonus here. Okay, guys, you're gonna sign up for free and you're gonna earn 10 bucks. And Swagbucks is a get paid to site, meaning you get paid to do various things on the site. Okay, and you get do things to earn cash or gift cards. So cash is through PayPal, so you can earn PayPal here, and you earned by doing shopping online. You can watch videos, you can search the web, answer surveys, and do offers basically to earn even more than $10 from this site. Okay, they paid out millions of dollars, and this site is actually very popular for many people to make money on, and they have a Trustpilot score of 4.3, so it's very good. Okay, that's the first one. The second one is Rakuten.com. It's the same thing, so if you join today, you're going to get a $10 cash bonus. So what this one is actually a cashback site, and it used to be called ebates.com. So Rakuten has bought it and taken it over, and they are providing people with cash back if they shop through their site. So this is a shopping site, okay? And I use this personally as well. I Swagbucks as well. I have lots of points in there, and here I've earned many things. So I like this one, the refer and earn. This refer and earn, you earn even more, not just the 10 bucks. You could earn 25 for everyone that you refer here, so it's pretty awesome. The next one I want to show you is BeFrugal.com. Okay, here's another 10 bucks just for signing up, guys. And this is another get paid to shop site, so you could get up to 40% cash back at 5,000 different stores. So this is another shopping site that you can save money on. So you want to browse, shop, and get paid. So if you're doing a lot of shopping online anyway, these sites will work for you, and it's gonna be very beneficial for you to sign up for your $10 anyway on here. Okay, they have a lot of the usual brands that people kind of know about. So you can also search what other stores that they have, since they have more than 5,000 stores. Now here on mypoints.com, here you can earn another $10 for just signing up, but this one is not cash. This one will be in either Amazon or Visa gift card. And here on My Points, actually, here you are going to earn by doing different things, okay? Not just shopping. So shopping is definitely one of them. Members can get up to 40% back with every purchase at 2,000 retailers, okay? And you could compare, like once you sign up to all these sites, you could compare if there's a specific store that you want to shop at, then compare who's going to give you the most cash back for that store, and then you're going to shop at that store, okay? Here for My Points, I just wanted to show you there's more than one way to earn, not just the shopping. So there's deals that you can check out, like offers, and there's coupons that you can use. But to earn more money, you could do surveys here, you could watch videos to earn, and you could also play games to earn, and there's a travel section as well. So These are all different ways to earn on this website, My Points. So you can even refer other people here too and earn 10% of their qualifying points. So there's many different ways here that you can earn. See, read emails, find deals, watch videos, share your opinion, search the web, play games, print coupons. So that's another site that you could do a lot of stuff on. So this is a good one. And the last one I'm going to show you is called opinionin.com. And here it is a survey site, but you do get your $10 sign up bonus here. So how it works here is that you register with them and complete your profile. You're going to take surveys. You will start receiving surveys from us based on your interests and profile, and then you get paid. For all the surveys you qualify, we pay you money that is mentioned in survey invite emails. So you don't get the survey emails, the survey invites in your emails. And the way you're going to redeem here, you're going to get PayPal for this as well. So endless choice for your money redemption. You're going to do either gift card or PayPal, or you could get online gaming coupons or even donations, guys. Okay, so there are several ways that you can redeem out here. So they're saying, why join us? Okay, so you got free sign up and you got the $10 bonus. And then here you got the pay, which is a highest incentive model, right? So it says the incentives for a normal project ranges anywhere between 50 cents to $100, depending on the requirement of the research. So you'll see here that you get the $10 sign up bonus, but unfortunately there is a minimum redemption for this site for $25. So you need to make sure you do some of the surveys and hopefully you are qualified for them. Okay. So guys, those are the 5 sites I want to show you today to make $50, and you're going to have to work on some of these sites if you want to earn some more money and meet their payout minimums. And so you do need to spend some time on them and see if you can make more money with these sites. But they are kind of very tedious in the sense of you may need to spend a lot of time on these sites just to to earn enough money to pay out. So just be careful of that. The other thing I want to mention is that even if you do the other ways to earn money on those sites, these get paid to sites usually don't pay a lot for your effort. So just in general, you can make money on the side with these sites. I have money in these sites, on some of these sites, sorry. Not all these sites, but at least the first 3 I have money in there. So it's a good way to get a side little income with these sites. But for you to earn some real money that you can really depend on, like a full-time income, guys, you really need to learn some high income online skills that is required for you to know how to earn bigger money online, guys. And the program in the video description below, the first link, that program will teach you these online skills, and that will let you earn a lot more, guys. Okay, they not only teach you online skills, but gives you 4 different business model that you can learn from. And one of those business model is something that I use, which is something I use since 2016, guys. Okay, and I've been earning a full-time income with this every single month these days, and it's been awesome because it is a business model where you can earn passively and work on your own schedule, guys. Okay, so if you want to make some real money online, like real money that you can depend on, and get some more freedom in your life, guys, please check out that first link in the video description below. And so if you liked this video, guys, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video so I can make more videos for you to learn from, guys. Okay, and subscribe to this channel, okay, so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys, and hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. All right, guys, I hope you make some money soon with these sites or with the program that I am talking to you about. So I'll see you on the next video, guys. Okay, thanks, bye.